All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we live, baby. What's going on? Man, I'm over here. The bell caught me so by surprise just now. I'm like, the bell. Let me get my little chat windows together, bro. I'm over here wild. I got to the office pretty early this morning. Been in the replay sim, and actually the replay sim in my journal spazzed out since last night, so I went and hopped back in trading terminal, and they made a couple upgrades. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. We got the EMA reset in pre-market. But you know, 945 gang. What's up, 3 Pony? Trend line Trey in the building. Hey, hit that like button for me, guys, on the way in, por favor. What y'all got, man? All I got is CERO, man. I ain't seen anything else that I thought was worthwhile, was worth watching. And that 15-minute setup, bruh. Kind of hoping this thing stays below that trend line for first 15 minutes, to be honest. Or maybe a tiny little run up. I don't know. But either way, I'm chilling. Let's see here. 16. What up, Microdons Trading? VWAP's right at 1220. Okay. Right on, right on. Yeah, I mean, it's sold off already. Not that much, I guess. And I mean, it kind of needs to stay above 11, though. I would feel like maybe a test to 10. I don't know. We shall see. I really like 945 game because it just makes the open so chill. Because there used to be so much anxiety at the open, like, you know, we got to make decisions in split seconds. And, you know, like trading on the one, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Yeah, but open is 50-50. Yeah, facts, bro. I'm cool. I'm cool. I don't know, man. I've been drawing my lines around these orders, and I kind of like them. I think they have some significance. Okay, we got the higher high for show. We can get like a 2-candle walk back. Now this could be a 3-bar play, but it's probably about to go. Could take the trend line break, stop under the low, enter over the high, but it's 945 gang. What up, K1? Yeah, Bear Bull Traders, they got a live pre-market show, and they draw their lines on that 8 o'clock order candle. They've noticed some sort of significance, and I just like using the high volume tops for my trend line, and we'll see though. We'll see. I do kind of like that vibe, but you help out now. Don't ask how you know. That's funny. I know you said you was getting down pre-market. Said don't ask how I know. That's hilarious. Yeah, you can see it clear as day though. You definitely can see it. Definitely can see it. Man, this is looking pretty good. Pretty good. Wrong. Still hoping for that good pullback though. I don't think it's gonna happen. I literally don't have any charts over here to look at. This is all I got. Probably for the first time ever. I just had it with bro. I went back through my journal and looked at my red days. And bro, I traded so much trash, man. So much stuff that just like I'm tagging my trades bad daily, bad daily, bad daily, bad daily. So just gotta the shenanigans gotta stop. Artie was talking about hymns this morning. These charts look wild to me now. Like I can't believe I used to trade these. Just look like a bunch of non-catalyst days. Man, I was wild in trading like this. Yeah. High, higher high, higher low, higher high. Definitely think we need a EMA reset on the one. See that trend line holds or not? It looks pretty good to me. What's VWAP at now, Microdon? Is that a triangle on the one? Yeah, I was thinking that too. It's gonna go. Pure. I don't know. I don't like this little volume pop there. 9:45 gang. EMA reset. Higher high. Higher low. Red candle. Volume. Narrow range. And trade. We got 4 minutes left on this candle. What's the SPY doing these days? Bunch of nothing. Mm-hmm. It did indeed. Nah, cause we got the higher high already. Like if I'm cool with using the pre-market price action as the trend. So for me, I got the EMA reset. I got the higher high, and this might be the higher low right here. Right on time for 9:45 if it can chill. The entry would be disgusting though. What is that? Over $1? It's the one where it'd be really nice to take the low of the trigger candle to use as a stop. Because putting your stop way down there is like, whoa. But I mean, this thing could really go to $18 today. Just the last high. I just literally walk the trend back and look at the last high, which was right here, where I got this yellow line. Oh, it's gonna go now, bro. You couldn't wait. You couldn't wait 2 more minutes. Didn't break the top yet though. 75 is the top. Spread is 10 to 15 cent, 10 to 20. What's up, Leon? Yeah, I think you'd have to take maybe stop under 12. Never mind. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I got nothing else on watch, bro. Man, what a dip this was. Super trash, man. Like hot garbage. uh, yeah. There's just no entry for me there. So we'll see what happens. We'll sit, chill, and be patient. Ooh. Ooh. Anybody in anything right now? Is there any action? Besides this, I mean, if you took this joint on the one, that was beautiful. No trades. Oil stocks. Oh, yeah. What's USO doing? Man, I got a buddy been swinging USO for a long time. I don't know what his average is. Might be up here somewhere. Nah, he said he was up, though. It's weird. Oh, yeah. That's what's up. SRPT. Nice little pop there. That's a cool little setup, actually, on the daily. Righteous. It's a nice pullback to pre-market high right here, too. On low volume. That looks pretty saucy. That's cool. Yeah, this look cool right here. Boop. It did move up a lot already, but not really. Hmm. Yo, Dirk, my guy. What up, bro? ACXP. Man, that thing had a run. Too cheap for my blood, though. Yeah. I wish I had a way into zero down here by my trend line, but over 12, bruh. Yep, facts, HH. That's all I got. I don't have any other charts, bro. Hey guys, hit that like for me. Hit that like button for me. Come on in. Water's fine. Yeah. Yeah, I would have liked to get in there. Dang, it's halted up too. That's nice. I'm telling you, Dirk. I do too. Dang on rules, man. Back in the YOLO days, man, I would have been in this joint. I probably would have got in here and got stopped out. Well, no, because once it broke, it broke. So I would have been straight. Stop under there. Rare cancer treatment, yeah. Yeah, I was reading through that, bro. It seemed like it was kind of legit. That's cool though. I hope we get a lot of shorts pile in. Knock it back down to like 1250. EMA reset, and then we just take that ride from like 13 to 17. That'd be straight. That'd be straight. Still got a lot of time for the setup to set up. Gotta be patient. Man, I was listening to Atomic Habits yesterday. And yeah, facts, HH. And he said something that just like, he was talking about the steps that you need to take to start a habit. And make it clear was one of the steps. I think that's the term, the way he said it. Let me see. How to make it obvious. How to make it obvious. And bro, the trend lines and my line in the sand that I've been doing with this yellow line to mark the last high, it just makes it so obvious to me where my setup is and where it is not. And it's been so helpful, man. Yeah, I mean, I've listened to the book probably 3 or 4 times already, man. How to Fight Against Negative Ones. That's a book? Oh, yeah. I know, bro. That's why I'm excited about it, Dirk. I'm hoping for a nice dip around 12 to 13, man, and then take that nice ride up to 17, man. Oh, how to overcome the negative habits. Ah, yeah. I just started rereading that book or re-listening to that book like the day before yesterday. So I keep restarting chapters and stuff though, so it's probably gonna take me a while to work through it again. Yeah, but I mean, you know, I ain't got the set to do that, Dirk. I ain't big dogging like you yet. Um, yeah, and then you just sit and wait and wait, bro, and it just gets really easy. The clarity, man, the clarity is really what has kind of just allowed me to take some more steps forward. And just doing it the wrong way over and over again so many times that you just like, all right, I'm done doing it that way, you know? I give up, throw in the towel. You're right, I'm wrong. I'll do it the right way. Black Swan. Hey, yo, I need in there. 9:45 rule out. What up, Pharaoh? I hear you. I hear you. There's definitely a couple situations where I do feel like I should get in early, but I'm okay with missing those right now. You know, I've collected enough data. Dang, another halt. I've collected enough data to where, yeah, to where I'm just like, I'd rather wait. Cause like, look how wide range these candles are. You know, I want to wait till it gets quiet. Like, look how it got quiet pre-market. See how small the candles got, and then bam, like that's literally what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the sellers to die off, and then the buyers are like, "Is it over? Is it over? It's over." And then the buyers rush in, and boom, I'm in there. Bam. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So yeah, yeah, and I'm definitely not buying high a day because the only way I could have entered this was over this red candle, and that's high a day, bro. I don't want no parts of that. So you know, I'm cool. We going to, bro. The setup's coming. It already sent me a text. It's on its way. It's, you know, it's traffic, so maybe 10:30. You know, we chilling, bro. She's coming. She's coming. You know, even if she get a flat and gotta come tomorrow, she's coming, bro. So I'm not even sweating missing the entry at the open. Not sweating it one bit. I'm chilling. Chilling. Chilling, chilling. Yeah, bro. It's always gonna be like you if you make your sandbox, you're always gonna see greener grass on the other side. Like, man, maybe I should go over there. But nah, man, just keep watering your grass, keep seeding. You know, your grass is gonna get real green. So I got my little boundary, and I've made this boundary. It's easy, like in the moment, I get excited about this thing and be like, man, maybe I should, you know, get rid of the 9:45 rule. But bro, that 9:45 rule became a rule because of years of crashing out at the open. Years of crashing out, of jumping in, and the 1 minute's going freaking crazy. This isn't really a good example because this is actually not that bad. But bro, just getting chopped up and then sitting there at max loss, and then 10 minutes later everything calms down and throws a perfect setup, and I can't even trade it because I'm already done for the day. You know? Yeah, for sure, Leon. This is definitely, I feel like all this stuff is training wheels, you know? Well, not, I mean, it's the criteria for my setup. But the stuff like no entries after 11 and no trades until 9:45, those are trading wheels to, you know, it's like putting the foam in the gutter at the bowling alley. You know, it's just to protect me and to help me build habits. You know, and slowly pieces of this thing that I used to have to think about a lot, I don't have to think about it all anymore. It's just like what I do, you know. And so the more of that gets to it's just how I trade, you know, I can start, you know, expanding a little bit and adding more. But right now I'm like, it's kind of overload still, man. It's like so much to be conscious of. Well, of course. Of course. Of course I do. And I think when I get another 5 years in the game, I'll probably get in pre-market. Maybe, you know, or just I've been watching these pre-market breaks and just looking at how the open, like I used to feel like the opening price action was completely separate from pre-market, like it didn't really correlate that much. But bro, the pre-market trend lines The pre-market support and resistance is totally in play at in the regular market. And so I've been peeping little spots, like peeping that the EMA reset in pre-market is legitimate. And so I'm really close to just taking the first high, you know, but I'm still gathering data. Dang, man, this thing about to go already, bro. $0.10. Yeah, bro. That's crazy. Because that joke was up $3, $5. No trade day, yeah. Hey, bro, a lot can happen in the next hour, bro. A lot can happen. I just need the EMA reset and higher high, higher low. And we in there like somewhere. But yeah, it's definitely squeeze time. It's above most of the volume from pre-market, all of the volume pretty much from pre-market, except for that wick, which is testing right now. Golly. What up, Knives? You in again? Savage. Yeah, look at the 15 though. The 15 ain't gone that far, bro. Yes. 15 to 16. Nice. Nice. Bruh, this entry right here. The clutches of the clutches. Yeah. Well, we got the highest volume of the day in. Well, on the 1 minute candle. Right. Yeah, I'm waiting for the I need to see the downtrend. Waiting on the downtrend. Man, that pre-market, bro. Mm-mm-mm. Like, I want to take this trade right here, man. On the 15, it's just so sketchy, man. One day. One day. SRPT. Yeah, it did. Is this the one with that little daily doji? Oh, yeah. This was nice, bro. I literally almost jumped in it when you first showed it to me. I was about to jump in right there, bro. But I just such a huge gap to fill, man. Yeah, facts. Nah, I'm just these are just little hypotheses. I'm not it's not anything I would do today or right now, but just little thoughts that I've been thinking, watching pre-market and regular market correlate, watching how the trend works, segueing from the pre-market to the open, seeing some things. Yeah, man, I needed to come way down, but it's holding up, Leon. It's holding up. We might not get no chance. Or I might not get no chance. I know y'all over there eating. Scalp Nation. Come on down. Come on down to 13. Got some nice sell volume coming in. Bring it on down. Should buy it right over 15.5. Stop under 14.69. Yeah. I'm telling you, bro. I need this thing to fade. Fade. Yeah, I know, man. It's about to do something. I think over 1550 she gone. Come on down. Yeah, come on down. No. Yeah, I know. That's definitely what it's gonna be because I'm not taking nothing up high. I gotta have that EMA reset for sure. That's what it takes though. Oh man, what's today? Tuesday, okay. Cause we off Thursday, man. Dang, man, my bro Alex texted me about SLRX. Oh no, I'm thinking SRPT. It's SLRX. No, that's not right. It's not working. Oh, there it is. Okay. Daily. It's got a nice gap. Sure sold the heck off. And it's cheap as heck. Yeah. Come on. Come on down. Yeah. Water's fine. Yeah. Break it on down. Nah, don't hold 14. Come on down. Come on down. Right. What you gonna do, Leon? Ooh, look at that volume too, man. That's a nasty candle though. You smell blood. uh, well, I got the okay. Yeah, yeah, I'm chilling, man. I would just love to see it make one more low. Came down to 1362. Yeah, it's got to dip one more time. Man, that 940 candle, man. That was the one, man. Uh, it's a nice dip. That's the one, though. Yeah, we need way more dip, bro. Way more dip. Come on, man. Come on, shorts. Come slap them up. Yeah, I thought that little doji could pop back over 15 for sure. Super low sell volume on that little guy. Right on the EMA. Dang, man. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, spreads are scary, man. Gots to be careful. Now a higher low on the EMA. Actually, you know what? Let me get off this 1 minute chart. I'm way too pulled into it. Way too pulled in. That 15 look pretty good right now, though. Still got another 6 minutes on it. 7 minutes. Man, this thing is strong, bro. Yeah. I don't see any entry I would have taken on the one that would have been bad though. Yeah, this one. Yeah, we got stopped out there. Higher. Yeah, we got stopped out here too. And then wouldn't have wanted to take that one. That's funny. Nah, but the five was saucy, man. Just buy after the red candles. Probably good to go. This thing would be perfect if it came back down right now. Man, what's that? I should have got on here with Microdon, man. Microdon had it today. Daggone it. Uh, what's the float on this Joker? SRPT 93 million. Oh boy. New Hive day. That was the dip. And the volume is bananas. Damn, it sucks. Well, there's pre-market high. Broke 17. This should be the last run up, bro. It's got to pull back. Like, come on. Come on, man. It's time. So now we're looking at probably 2 candle pullback on the 15, which would be 30 minutes from 10:15, which would be 10:45 at the soonest, probably. Yeah, I don't know, man. We might not make it today, man. Welcome to trading. Yep. Yeah, man. I appreciate it, Knives. Blue skies to 20. Yeah. I'm ready too, man. I need one. I definitely need one. Even though I'm gonna have one Thursday, but I need one on my own volition. Ah. Blue skies to 20. Yeah, I don't know about that one, Trey. You capped a little bit on that one, Trey. There's no resistance for real though until well, yeah, the low of this candle's 1760. So yeah, you wilding a little bit. High 1720. Oh, Dirk said. Hilarious. What up, Jack? What you know, man? You got some trades in? Tell me something, Jack, because I ain't got nothing going on right now. We just sitting here watching CERO Therapeutics run off on the plug without taking any of us with them. Buy every dip. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, bro. Like all these red candles were like ripe. Just buy every red candle. All right, Dirk. Nice work, man. Keep pushing us to be great. Short Amazon 210. I got you, man. Which one? You need peel or you need the hilarious. Get my stream deck popping. Here we go. Is this guy, how bad is it? Is it this guy bad or is it this guy bad? Yeah, for sure, Trey. We just gotta chill, man. We just gotta chill, man. There's gonna be days where we're gonna get like 3 or 4 setups, you know? And it's gonna be days where you just gotta sit and watch. Tis what it is. Or you don't have to sit and watch. You can lose, you know, you can take some bad trades, you know, just to get some practice in. Make sure your stop loss works. Let me check out your Amazon short, Jack. Yo, what'd you say? 217.25. Good Lord, bro. High of day is 41. That's awesome. Yeah, you did. You trade on the one, Jack? What time frame do you trade on? Brown Dog and ZTIA. 382. Oh, man, bro. Got that Billy entry, huh? Got the EMA reset, though. Might be all right. EMA reset holding yesterday's high. What's your stop? You risking all the way down to 350? We all have our moments, Brown Dog. That's what's up. Popcorn trading and real trade, bruh. I was on that popcorn lifestyle, bruh, for years. Documented. Man, this joke about to go again, bro. We ain't trading this today, y'all. That looks really good. But this the third. Yeah, this is the third one, bro. This time it's over, bro. Come on home. Come on home. It's pre-market support right here, though. That looks nice. It's the highest volume candle. Well, one of the highest volume candles. And then we come back up, break that high. And now we're holding like, bruh, back over 1666. The dollar stop. Yeah, that would have to be a 15. Like if the 15 closed like that, then you could think about it, but absolutely not. 360 stop. No trades, man. Ain't nothing for me, man. Uncle Paul, what's going on, man? What you been up to this morning? 360. Oh yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I'm starting to lose hope for entry on this. There it goes right here. Three straight wide range 15-minute candles. And then the last one really pulled back the whole range of the previous candle and then took it out. Yeah, I'm looking at it. It's too high for me, bro. It looks very solid though. Very solid. This huge high volume support here. But bro, this is like the third higher high, you know? Like most trends, you get two or three, maybe four before it's time for the downtrend. So I'm definitely expecting this to be the sell signal. It's gotta come down, bro. It's got to. I mean, of course it doesn't have to, but it has to for me to take a trade on it. Yeah, it's Billy for sure. But I mean, if you just look at what's happening though, look at the strength and then the weakness on this red candle and where it held. It's a good setup, but not good enough for me to take it. But good enough for me to get a little gleam in my eye while I look at it, you know. But I'm definitely expecting the pullback any moment on a reasonably trading stock. I mean, with this, 24 million is not that big, but I guess for $16 it probably is. That would be awesome, man. Yeah, the volume profile is sweet. It's sweet. It's done a lot already though. 1150. Oh my god. Apple. Man, it's been so long. So the only time I pull up these tickers now, Jack, is to check you out, bro. It's a trip, bro. I used to look at these every day. Oh my God. I tell you what, though, commissions were way cheaper trading these large cap stocks. Did not need 1,000 shares. I see what you're seeing there. I see what you're seeing there. What the daily looking like. Oh, yeah, that joker looking weak. What's this? 196.56. That's way down there. Yeah, I see it. Very interesting. Yeah. Just walking up the EMA, bro. It looks like another breakout, man. Well, 30 minutes left. What's it gonna be? 1 minute chart is the devil. Oh yeah, my bad. I'm not taking any 1 minute trades, hopefully. Hopefully. I think we're good on that. I don't think we need this anymore. And let's get rid of some of these lines. This line is the low of this candle, which, I mean, this is only a 3 million share range. Yeah, maybe 3.5. It's time. Bring it down, bruh. That's it right there, man. Stop under the trigger. Yep, that's what it looks like. Boom, bop, 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 bop. There it goes. I'm still not getting my money though. What am I waiting for, bro? I can't do it, man. If I buy it up here and it pulls back to the EMA, I'll just like might as well get my clown makeup on right now, bro, and just I just can't, bro. I'm not a scalper. I'm a trend trader. I'm looking for the beginning of the 5 minute trend, and I'm trying to hold till the end. Yo, hey yo. Hey yo. Yeah, facts. Oh gosh, there it goes. You'll never let me forget it. Yeah, I feel like that too. You got the EMA reset, break of the high, and all of that. But I like to wait for the pullback. I had my line drawn over this last pre-market high, but the pullback just it. If this candle closed low, I was gonna be in there like swimwear. But it broke out before the close of this candle. That's the only thing I needed to happen. I just needed this candle to close at like $12, and I would have been in there like swimwear. Quarterly invited. I know, man. I gotta do my thing, man. It's very tough. It's very tough. I wanna be an attack trader. I wanna buy these dips, but I will have my time and I will shine. Lunch is on me. Hey, you need the cash app? Yeah. Knives, you mean dirt? Nah, bro, my 5 minute setup is at the EMA, bro, after the downtrend. That's my entry. My entry is after the downtrend, the beginning of the uptrend. That's what I figured out. That's my edge. Shout out to Trendline Treasy. It's like every day I want to come and I want to find a picture perfect screenshot for my journal. You know, I want to, like, if I wanted to teach my strategy, every day I want to come in and wait so that I can put an execution arrow exactly where my strategy says to put one, and then put another one where I'm supposed to sell. Yeah, that's facts. If I was in this trade down here, there's no freaking way I would be buying up here. There's no way. Bro, I see it. All these pullbacks look juicy as heck, bro. All of them. But they're just too extended, man. It's supposed to pull back. Yeah, bro. It's just like we just different traders, bro. I see what you see, and I want to trade that way, honestly. Like, I love rapid trading and just like go look at my old videos, bro. I was going ham just like you want me to. Ham. I would have had so many trades on this, bro. Well, maybe not. If I get it right the first time, I'm chilling. But yeah, bro, like all these dips I would want to attack. This one, knives. I feel like you talking to Dirk, but tagging Leon. Am I wrong? No, you guys are talking to each other. Okay, my bad. Yeah, yeah. I think you tagging the wrong guy. You never lose money on no trade day. Hey, hey. Straight up, man. Never. Never lose money on no trade days, man. Yeah, Leon over there sitting on hands with me, Knives. Who is this? I got a Discord message. Oh, you too, huh? Whoa. Technical. What am I looking at here? This looks bad. Is this bad? Are you in at 1178 and out at 1590? Is that what you're showing me? That's wild. Yeah. Field of Dreams. I know, man. Yeah, yeah. Leon's right there with us, Knives. He's right there on our same page, bro. What up, T-Lo? Only wish sandwiches for me today. Yo, second request, please join. Oh man, I don't even have FOMO right now. I can't, bro. Unless you're gonna guarantee my losses, you gonna you gonna reimburse me. Nah, but listen. It's so many things that go into breaking to stepping outside. Like for example, my journal is trash. Like most of my journal is trash because I trade outside of my setup so often. Like it's getting better like these last 2 months. I actually have like some good trades that I can, compare to my system and say that I'm starting to consistently trade closer to my system. But like the last year of my trading data, it's like all over the place. All over the place. Like I got a few of my setups mixed in, but it's just like a bunch of chasing movement, man. And every time I do that, I muddy my journal. I muddy my accuracy. I muddy, all of the data that, man, I've gotten so many good insights from my journal, man. And it's just like I'd be like, man, dang, I wish I had more. Like, imagine if the only trades in my journal was my setup. Like, how clear would the data be? You know? Yeah, that's awesome, technical. That's awesome. I hate that I'm not a part of this trade, but there's just no entry, man. I would have had to get in right here. Which I mean, I saw this was significant to me, but there was just it didn't set up for me. It didn't set up for me, you know. Yeah, see, I ain't got none of that on my chart, Dirk. So I don't have all those things that make me feel like for sure I mean, the daily to me was super saucy, bro. It wasn't really that hard to see what could happen. There's like no volume on the daily at all. Like you got 3 million shares right here and that's it. And today we're trading 28 million. Like there's no this it might as well be a blue sky setup. Might as well. Like all this price action is nothing. We just trading whole dollars at this point, resistance at the whole dollars and half dollars and, pre-market. That's it. Raw still trading. Right. He's still trading raw momentum, like just orders just like piling in. Yeah. It's like some pre-market stuff right here, bro. Not a dream trade. I really expected this kind of trade today. I was hopeful, but yeah, I would have just had to throw caution to the wind and just say I'm taking this trade no matter what. Ross gonna be like 500K today. Watch. I made $1 million in 2 hours trading. Count it up, bugs. Jack to the bag. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice work, man. Here, you got a little extra. You need another helper for all that bread over there, bro. My man, love it. Yeah, no doubt, man. I'm super happy, Trey, to be here right now in this moment. Like, unwilling. Even though this thing is freaking printing. Printing, bro. Any red candle you could have bought, bro. Any red candle. Like, just buy the break, you know? But I'm not even mad, bro. I'm happy because I know if I can sit out of the stocks that don't set up, if I can miss all of those trades and just literally only take my setup, bro, straight hot fire. Right, just buy any red candle. You gonna buy me 100 shares right now? Uh, golly. Yeah, this a wrap, dog. This is no trade day. There's no way around it. The EMA is at $15. We got all greens on the 15-minute chart. Thank you so much, Knives. I know, bro. And like everything matters, Trey. Like if I stepped outside of my strategy today, it's going to be that much easier to step outside of it tomorrow. But for me not stepping outside of my strategy today, it's going to be that much easier to not do it tomorrow. And I just keep building, bro. I'm going to be disciplined in a fool, man. You know? Yeah, I feel you, Paul. I mean, if I had a big bag, like if I had a huge account, when I get to that point, I'll risk a R, you know, not up here, but maybe on one of the previous, either this one or that one, just throw a R on there, whatever. But bro, I am tiptoeing the line. I am a small trader and with a small account, and I gotta do big things. I gotta do big things. You know what I mean? Since that hat, 100%, man. It's literally, bro. Every day you break your rules, it's like you restart the discipline meter. Like if it was a cup that you were pouring water in, trying to fill up, every time you break your rules, you just chuck it all out. Yeah, about 2320. I'm totally happy with you making money, Dirk. I'm totally happy. Like, what's your entry, Dirk? Damn, Knives. Damn. Dang, bro. Did y'all see what he said? If you had a big bag, you wouldn't be taking C setups. That's how you got the bag, bruh. Wise words, man. Wise words. Spitting. Spitting hot fire, bro. Shout out Knives, man. Ah, oh, dang, brown dog. Mmm. Mmm. That's tough, man. Yeah, it's the only time you gotta trade is when your setup is present. Like if you just looked at the daily, like what was XTIA? Like, bro, the battle. Look at this candle right here, bro. 58 million buyers and sellers piled into this thing. It's just like this kind of range, to try to grind through this kind of range on 10 million shares volume. That's tough, you know? That's tough. For me, I want to be, I don't want to fight in these kind of ranges. You know, that's why Zero was so appealing, because I had this range marked out right here, right? As a clear, you know, this is the only volume day on the chart, but it's only 3.5 million shares, and we're trading 30 today. So, damn, boy, they had to get out over 20, huh? They had to get out over 20. They had to get out. Like, damn, fine. Damn. Sound. Yeah, I don't like the daily. Immediately when I pull up the daily, just like immediately trash. Downtrending, like clear downtrend. I could see the possibility of it being the beginning though. But not yet. You know, it just broke below the EMA. It would have to reclaim and retest. What we looking like on the weekly? Yeah, maybe over 1050. But for right now, looking scary to me. But intraday, you know, it's got a little something going on, but I mean, that ain't enough. Like, you don't even look at the intraday before the daily. For me. For me. He stayed through the halt. Why not, bro? He still got 500 shares. What's your entry, bro? What's your average right now? Or you been getting in and out, huh? Husa thoughts? My bad, Microdon. Let me see you up there. Husa. Who was that warned us about oil? Was that HH? Yeah, Husa. I wouldn't even look at Husa until over 1974. But you know, the third day play be kind of lit. The third day play has been kind of lit, but I still like, again, just this trading against this high volume range, bro. I'm just not with it. I'm just not with it. You know, I need that above the range. Because look, once we get above the range, all the shorts that piled in here, they got to cover. You know, they got to cover. And the way I was taught by my guy Josh Dennis from 1215 Day Trading, let's just assume that half the people in here are buyers and half the people are sellers. You know, so you just look at the volume. We got 28, we got like 30 million shares, so 15 million, and we're trading 3 million shares today. Like, but that doesn't mean you can't get some good trades off of it. You know, I'm not looking for any trade. I'm looking for that A plus 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 plus. Golly, what a trade to miss out on. Maybe the 2 would have got me in. Nah, we cool, man. Yesterday, what was that trade yesterday? SRM? Bruh, I was there. It was everything I needed it to be, and I jacked it up. I jacked it up, bro. I got in right here at 5:15. I sold the top of this candle, and my stop's supposed to go to break even. Yeah, I got in right here, 5:15. 2 executions on the way up on this candle, and stop was supposed to go to break even until we got a higher high above this high. Now, a double top is enough for me to want to pull my stop up. So when we did this double top, stop would have went to the low of this candle, which was 536. So I probably would have put it at like 534. And that stop does not get broken at all. So I would have been in here with at least a quarter position for this run. But as soon as this candle made a high over this candle, I ran my stop up tight. And then this candle just stopped me by 4 cents. It just popped back down, stopped me out, and then went on about its way. So I'm going to have my days. They are coming, you know, on that 10-second chart. Then Husa goes, buy 1,000 shares of Husa. I mean, of Zero. Nah, bro. If I was going to do that, Dirk been pressuring me to do that all morning, bro. If I was going to do that, I would have done it at least like at $16 or $17. 2K. You got in Reddit yesterday at the peak of today. I was up 29R. Damn. Yeah, Artie in the Discord was on Reddit this morning. Dang, that Joker came all the way back too. What'd you call it, Dirk? 20. 23 something? 24.46. Damn it, y'all. Damn it. You did invite me, Dirk. You gave me a most gracious invitation. And they were all very opportune invitations, man. And it's actually against my religion to refuse the invitation, and I apologize. What a dream trade, man. I would, if I got in here, bro, just dragging my stop, just bloop, bloop, bloop. Yeah, nah, Dirk be reaching out. Dirk be reaching out. We email back and forth. Yeah, it's all good. He gonna keep inviting me, and I'm just gonna keep telling him it's not my setup. It's a relationship. It's brother love. It's all good. I'm gonna bite one day, maybe. Well, you guys, I think it's pretty clear. Today is my third. Well, let me not do that symbol. Today is my third no trade day. My third no trade day since I started streaming in March of 2024. And all of them have happened in like the last, what, 2 months? That's crazy. I remember, bro, Alex was begging me. If you could just get one day of following your rules, just one day. And I couldn't do it, man. We would be talking for hours on the phone, politicking, going over trades, going over concepts, and why it's so important to follow your rules. And I believe it with all of my heart. I know for a fact that if I follow my rules, all of my trading dreams will come true. Like, no doubt at all. And still come in next day and just jack it all up. Day after day, bro. Day after day. Just couldn't do it, man. I don't know what it was, but alhamdulillah, we here now, bro. Yeah, they wild, bro. It's at this point, it's like if you talked yourself out of buying all of this time and it's still going up, it's hella people like, man, I'm buying it. And it's gonna be a nice group of them that's gonna get smashed. Yeah, I definitely. You right, Jack. You right. Should you buy it now? This is a spectacle. This is just something that, we could just say we was here. You know, man, y'all remember that day C-Roll went from 10 to 25, That's it. We was here. We got to see it. Dirk got to buy it, Leon got a trade off on it. Yeah, no doubt. And they happen though. Over 30s definitely, bro, easily. At this point, especially if shorts keep trying. $50. Exactly, HH. Like, I'm not gonna let this change my rules, hurt my feelings. This is like just a one-off joint. Exactly, bro. Exactly. It's nothing. Halt it up again. 2680 on the ask. Yo. You're in the halt? That's what's up. I'm just really excited to see that my stop management would have kept me in this trade all the way up to the top. All I needed was this candle right here to close. Anywhere below this candle, bro. Even if it was at the high it had to be below so it wouldn't be a high day breakout. That's a tough one, man. All the losses, bro. Like, from my whole trading career, bro. Yeah, exactly, bro. I don't remember what I traded last week either, man. Hey, Dirk, man, real talk, bro. I could really use a band in my trading account, bro. I got like I need some help. I need some community help. I'll let your boy invest in your boy. $100. Yeah, I'm telling you. That's what's up. Yeah, well, pause. My mistake. Man, all right, y'all. Well, I'm gonna get out of here, man. I'm gonna go to the gym and enjoy a day of discipline of a rare discipline that I've only tasted 3 times before today, man. This is the sauce. This is a huge thing of what's been missing. Is to just not can't leave till 30. Just the ability to just sit and wait. To just sit and wait. Like, bruh. Let me pull up my journal, man. We gotta reflect. What a tragedy. Look at this day. 19 trades, bro. 19. How many of them do you think were actual setups? Man, we had a month last month, didn't we? Lost 1,500 in the last 3 days of the month, bro. So sad. But we were up, man. Yeah, definitely drop them charts in the cord, man, so we can study. Yeah, but this is the week that changed everything for sure. But like 20 trades, 19 trades, 16, 15. 18, 37, 41, 22 trades. Trading everything, bro. It just couldn't stop. Look at these, bruh. Oh my God. That is a long ass red streak. Excuse me. That's a long red streak. 8 days, 9, 10. Damn, that might be my biggest one right there. I thought 7 was doing a lot last month. Good Lord. Well, these type of red streaks, these type of red streaks where you can't even buy a winning trade, that's when you really just start questioning everything. Like, you start thinking like, does Ross really make, is he lying? Does Ross really make that kind of money? Is this whole thing cap? Am I just like stuck in this gambling loop thinking that it's actually a way to do this consistently? Like, that's that type of stuff. Or am I just not the type of person that can mentally become who I need to be in order to be successful? Like, these are dark days right here, man. Dark days, man. No, I definitely think he's legit for sure. I don't doubt that. I'm just saying, in the midst of finding it so impossible for myself. Look at this month. Oh my God. Good thing I was only using $5 risk, man. Oh my God. How did I keep doing this? Just red month after month after month. June was pretty cool. Oh my God. This is when I first started back trading. I was feeling pretty darn good about myself. Like, yeah, man, I got this. Yeah. Yeah, slap. Slap. Man. Oh, snap. Halt it down, huh? It's over. Yeah. I mean, I guess it was fun, but like at the open, it's fun. But at the end of the day, when you're red your ninth day in a row, bro, it's hopeless. It's hopeless. And to like not even understand what's happening. Like, there was like times where like I don't even know what to fix. Like, I don't even know what's going on. Do I have a strategy? Like, bruh, dark times, man. So I'm super happy to finally just to have clarity on my setup and believe in it, and to finally whatever had needed to happen mentally to stop trading. It's a good place to be, man. Man, that's what's up. That's what's up. But all right, y'all, that's my time. Hit that like button for me, please. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And y'all be safe out here, man. I'll let y'all tomorrow. Yeah, I love it here too, man. You guys are awesome. Three Pony. Three Pony is like my quiet supporter that been here for the longest, man. I appreciate you, bro. OG, Leon, Dirk, HH, Uncle Paul, Knives. I know y'all in the back too, man. Y'all never comment, but I appreciate y'all too for coming to hang out with me every day. Just hit the like button for me, please. Subscribe if you haven't. Be safe out here, man. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.